Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name's Christina and I'm currently a mom to a 17 going on 18-month-old toddler girl. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys her playroom tour. It's been a long time coming. I've been trying to get this playroom set up for the past few months, just doing it little by little. We have an extra guest room in our downstairs portion of our home and I moved into this house around 2 years ago. I wanted to create an area for her to be able to have her own personal space and be wild and free, because that's the age she's in right now. So if you guys are looking for some playroom ideas and how to decorate or some inspiration on how I set up this room at a low cost budget, continue to watch to the end. Okay love, so this is her playroom. The first thing I want to show you guys is her little reading area space. I got this little bookcase from Target, and what I like about it is, if you guys can see, is that it's very low to the ground so that she's able to just grab the books on her own and she can see all the books and be able to grab it. And then I got these little baskets from Amazon. It came in a set of 3 with a little bigger one, you'll see soon. And then I got this adorable little chair from Homegoods. Now this little closet right here is actually not in use. It's like a coat closet, so that's why I leave the chair there so that she could be able to just sit there and read her little books. And then I made a sign that says, "Today a reader, tomorrow a leader," which I truly do believe. She actually is a Leo baby. She was born at the end of July, so she is going to be a leader one day. And I just love that. And I got the frame from IKEA and I just created the artwork and I framed it myself. And it was really inexpensive. The frame was like $8 and the artwork was, I had some cardstock, so that was pretty much free. And then this area right here is actually, I thrifted this little shelf, which I love. I got it for like $40. I have her little lamp that I got from, I believe, Christmas tree store for $20. It's really pretty because we do have actual lights, but it's really bright at night. And then I got these cute little signs, "Don't grow up, it's a trap." I got that from Target as a set. And then I got this cute little ABC and this unicorn she actually had since she was a baby, and she just got this little flamingo for Christmas and she loves feeding them and pretend playing with them, so it's really, really cute. And then over here I just have her watering little pot and then this toy that she has had as well, just out for show. And then I rotate it as well sometimes. And then she has her little stacking toy that she used to play with when she was younger. She pretty much mastered that, so I just have that out for decoration right now, and then I'll save it for a future sibling. Right here I actually got these wooden rainbows from Amazon. They're a pretty good dupe from the Grimm's rainbow. Currently she isn't really too into it, so I'm kind of happy that I didn't spend too much money. I believe it was like $40 or $50 with Black Friday. And then I got these cute little peg people to go with it, and it was like a set of maybe 10 of them for $20. And then down here I have all her little musical instruments. This little set right here is Melissa and Doug, minus the little eggs that I made myself. And then this little set, this is a little xylophone that actually came with her pound hape little toy she had. And then these are some extra little tambourines as well that she had. So I do want to get a little drum set, but at a later date I haven't found one that I really like. So this is her first little shelf that she just has out. And then this area right here is her main shelf area. So we are a Montessori-ish home. I started with the Montessori practices, I would say, a few months ago. I read this really good book, Raising a Toddler Montessori Way. Not sure if I'm saying it right, but I really got really inspired, as well as I follow the Hapa family on YouTube. So I was really inspired by Maria Montessori because she does believe that having less toys out really is better for your child to be able to concentrate, show interest. So I got this cube system from IKEA. This is the Calyx cube system. And I absolutely love it. It was like $80 and I think it looks really nice. So let me show you guys what I have. So this first one is just really I put all her extra books. I got this basket from Target. It was actually on sale for $14. I got a really good deal. Down here I have this little pull geometric little car thing from IKEA, and it comes with all the little geometric shapes that she could, it's like a puzzle. So she likes that. And then over here, I got this little, it's a toy for like fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination. She basically can just put things in like that. I put everything in a basket and a tray if need be so that she could easily be able to grab it. That is like the way Montessori is. For you guys that don't know what Montessori is all about. So everything is perfectly placed pretty nicely so she can be able to play with it. I got this puzzle from Melissa and Doug. She got this for her Christmas, and it's like peg puzzles. She really loves animals. And then this right here is a Love Every little threading kit that she's really good at. I actually leave this out in a little basket, put it on a tray so that she can just easily grab it. It's usually like this, so that she can just grab it like that and be able to see it. And then it came with the little bag if she wants to put it there. And then I have another little basket filled with some extra baskets and toys that I want to rotate. And then down here, I love the set that I found for her for Christmas. It's actually a sensory, like kind of like peg puzzle type of matching toy. She loves it. You just take it and then she puts it like that and she feels it first. And she's getting really, she's pretty much mastered it. I usually try to toy rotate every week to 2 weeks. So this is due. So the next video I'll show you guys. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below how to do a toy rotation. And then this is a Schoolsy, I believe, pegboard set. So I put all the pieces here. She's learning her shapes and then she could place it onto this little mat. These are all the things that I have out here. I try not to have too many because she is going to be 18 months. She'll probably be 18 months by the time I post this video. So I don't want to like overwhelm her. When she gets a little older, I'll take out those 2 baskets and probably put another set of learning toys. Okay, and then on top of this cube system, I actually got from IKEA. Let me move it so you guys can see. And I like it because it's a hack where you can put puzzles. I got this from the Target dollar spot that I'll probably put in a toy rotation soon because she's learning colors. And then I like it also because you can put like books. I try to do sign language with her regularly. So like the bigger books that don't fit in her little bookcase, I put them in here. And this is like Around the Farm sound book that she loves to play with. So that's what I have out there. And then in here is another basket that goes with those 2 mini ones by her books. This basket, I put her play scarf. So that way when we're like dancing to like music and stuff, we can play with that. Or when she's playing pretend play. And then I just have her baby monitor and Alexa show because she does like listening to music. So I play music with her on that. And then the monitor is for if I need to like, you know, just step out the room and use the restroom, I could keep an eye on her there. Or if I'm upstairs and my husband's downstairs, I could tell them to come up for dinner. So over here, I actually have wainscoting in this room. So it is very beneficial because I don't have to put a lot of shelving. Right now, I decided to just put these Hearth and Home little peg people and wooden people little figurines. I think it's so cute. I really, really like it. And then I actually got these little canvases, You Are My Sunshine, and the Playroom Rules. I thought this was really cute. And this little rainbow, I got that from the Target dollar spot as well. So the little Hearth and Home, peg people, farm animals, and the little trees, those were all under, I would say $12. I actually got them on sale. And then on the wall, I just have this wall art that I had got from Amazon on Amazon Prime Day, and the same IKEA frames that are like $8. I got this set of artwork that's so beautiful. This one says be brave, this one says be kind, and this one says be you. I thought that was so pretty and I knew that I wanted to put it in here. It was definitely part of my theme. And this I just always update with her age. I used to use it for when she was, you know, changing her different months, and now we don't really get to take pictures like that anymore. I wanted to keep it out. And right here, I have just a chair for me to be able to sit in. We're actually about to get a nugget, so I might be reconfiguring this when the time comes to figure out the space. And then over here, I actually have another little mini cube system. Now, this cube system is actually going to go upstairs, probably in my living room. So this was the first one that I had before I got the Calyx. And I got it because she actually used to play in another guest room that was a lot smaller. And she was, you know, she was really little. So I want to get this. So we still have it out with a few things, but it's gonna go upstairs. Like right here, I have this Love Everly bug catcher where she can attack little bugs and stuff for hand-eye coordination. I thought that was really cute to have out in a little basket. And then I have these little cylinder little stackers. Then I also have this little makeup kit that I got from Amazon. She just loves playing with my makeup. Everything's pretend, so it looks really real. And with that, she can play pretend, and then she can put it in the bag and practice closing the bag with the zipper. And then I have some sensory bowls in these baskets right here. Another set of baskets that I got from Target. And then I have right here her Love Everly peg stacking board that she really likes, and she's kind of mastered as well, so she doesn't, you know, I leave it out, but she doesn't play with it as often. So that's what I have in this little set right here. Like I said, I'm probably gonna put it upstairs and toy rotate. And then this area right here is where I keep her little artwork and her plants. So as you can see, I actually got this again from the Target dollar spot for the win. Look what I made. I hang it here because also the Montessori practices is everything needs to be at a level with your child. So I like to keep it out so that she can reach it and she can put her own little artwork up, and I thought it was so cute. I really like it. As you can see, she's really into coloring. We color and draw together, so I put that. I'm gonna get her into painting as well. And then we have these little plants that my mom actually got us. So we have this little bamboo plant, this little plant right here, and this little plant right here that she helps and waters. And then I got these little houses from the Dollar Tree spot too around Christmas time. And then we have a little miniature stacking rainbow. I really, really love this area as well. And her little garbage can too. And on this side of the playroom, I have her little arts and craft area. So I got a fleece set table. I actually wasn't able to get it from IKEA because I got it a few months ago. It's been sold out like crazy ever since the pandemic, but I actually matched it with the Sudoc, I believe it's called, little chairs. Now, if you want, you can saw them down so that your child is able to reach the floor. I have noticed that the fleece set table is a little tall for her, so I just help her with it because she's growing so fast. I really didn't want to saw everything down. And then also a little tip, if your child is really, really small and you have the fleece set table, you could actually use the bottom of the fleece set table stools. I tried that, but it's just too short for her and she didn't really like it. So she likes sitting at these chairs. So I got the fleece set table, and then I actually got this little organizer from Target dollar spot as well. It's like $3, and it's actually for makeup. So I'm able to put like her little crayons, her chalk markers, her little stamps that I got from IKEA, the malas, and regular markers. And then we have this Melissa and Doug drawing paper pad right here. So I also have, so that you guys can see how I use a sensory table. So currently right now on the sensory table, I have some water beads with some like little fish and whales, little ocean creatures. So she's able to play with that and she really likes it. I try to switch it up like every week. Some days we do it, some days we don't. Everything is about following the child. I truly do believe that. That is the Montessori way. So I introduce things to her, and if she wants to do it, she does it. If she doesn't, we're on to the next. Her little arts and crafts center, and I may change it up or not. And then right here, this is also from IKEA, and I just keep like her other little crayons. Like we did this little activity the other day. Some more markers. I have a lot of little Valentine's Day stickers in there right now. All her little stamps. She loves stamps. And just other things like glue. And then I got this adorable little sign again from the Target dollar spot with those sets over there, that kindness matters, of her little peg person. I thought that was so pretty. So right here, I actually have the Maria Montessori quote that I created myself, and I just framed it in another IKEA frame, and play is the work of a child. I absolutely love that quote. And then moving along from her arts and crafts center, we have the Eat, Play, Love wall, which I love. I'm probably going to add to that eventually, but I have her little play kitchen area. So she has this little shopping cart, which we have, but I may donate it or try to sell it to someone because she's not really into it right now, and I would like to put some more arts and crafts stuff over here. So, but it's there for now. She does like pushing things around, and she has her little play kitchen area, which I absolutely love the space. I got this play kitchen from Homegoods for like $130. Quick tip, if you're looking to get a play kitchen, always check out Homegoods because they come assembled. So that's another reason why I wanted to get it. It's a little on the smaller side, but she is very young. She's not that tall yet, and it came assembled and it was really inexpensive. So we got that, and in the play kitchen, she has all her little play food, her little toy, her wooden play food from Melissa and Doug, her felt play food from IKEA, and a pasta set from Melissa and Doug as well. And then she has more of that stuff too. I also keep like her own little snacks in here that she wants to eat that. And then it has a little oven, her little cinnamon buns, and then a little shopping basket. So she really loves pretend play. As you can see, she has a little pot and pan. And then right here, we actually added this shelf. It's another IKEA shelf that I love. All these things that I got from IKEA, I actually created an IKEA whole Playroom shop with me video that I'll link so you guys can see what exactly it is that I got and how much it costs. But this shelf is so cute. I have another little plant, her pots and pans, and it didn't make the cut for the video, but I'm also gonna put a little sign that says her name, that it's her kitchen. And then it has these little hooks so she could hang up her little pot holders. And then right here, I actually got this organizing pulling cart from HomeSense. It was only, I believe, 30 or 40 bucks. And I love it because I can organize all her stuff. This is like all her tea stuff and her plates and her little cups for tea, pretend tea play. These are all her little cutting vegetables and her egg set for counting and colors. And this right here are some more of her plates, her pots and pans, and all her utensils. So everything is all organized and nice. And then lastly, right here, she has her Melissa and Doug cleaning set. She got this for Christmas and she's obsessed with it. She loves cleaning like her mommy because I love cleaning around the house. And I actually painted it white on top because it came red, and we really love it. So pretty much this is the playroom, guys. And this rug made the whole room. This rug is like the theme of the room. My advice for when you're doing a playroom is to, you know, find one piece and have that be the theme, and have that be like the way you organize and decorate everything. So this rug I actually got from Rug USA. I like that it's shaggy because as you can see, the floor is hard. So when she's playing around and stuff, I wanted something that was thick just in case she hit her head. But overall, this is it. Oh, and I forgot to mention this little rocking horse that actually was gifted by her grandparents that she really likes playing on as well. Like I said, it's a Montessori inspired playroom, but it also has some Waldorf to it because I believe in imaginative play. And I know that as she grows, things will change. And just know that even though you don't have like a big playroom like this, just having a little area where you can keep your child's stuff and keep things like organized and grab and play with, that's really important. Because the most important thing about the Montessori method is that you follow the child. The child takes the lead and you follow them and see what they like, and you take note of that. And when I'm toy rotating all her stuff, I'm always paying attention to what she likes, how I can change things up. Should I leave something out? Should I change? Is this too hard? Is this too easy? And am I giving her too many options? So definitely something to keep in mind if you're new to Montessori. But this is also, I'm also keeping a traditional approach as well because that's how I was raised as well. But I do like having Montessori methods, but I know that I don't want to be so strict with myself because I am a new mom and I'm still learning. And hopefully by the time that I have more children, I'll be more of an expert of the Montessori method and way. So I really hope that you guys love seeing my daughter's playroom and that you got some ideas and some inspiration on all the things that are in here. And I would have to say, let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the playroom is. If you have any questions on where I got certain things, let me know and I'll be sure to get back to you. And I'm going to be making more videos on her playroom, how I keep it organized, how I toy rotate. So if you guys are interested in that, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can get some more ideas. I love making these videos for you guys. And like I said earlier, I'm going to be switching things up because that's just how it goes. Things are going to move and rotate, but I wanted to share with you guys the original look of this playroom because I'm pretty obsessed. I didn't get to have a playroom when I was younger, so my daughter is definitely blessed with this opportunity to have this space, and her future siblings will be able to share in this love too. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that you can find out when my next video comes out. I hope you guys are doing well, you're staying safe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.